In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Sheets mobile offline here in the Sheets app. So basically, when you need to open some of your files while you don't have internet service or no Wi-Fi in range, you simply have to make sure that all of the files that you want to access are available offline. In this example, if I wanted to access this file and edit it while I'm offline, what I'm going to do would be to go to the ellipsis at the top right corner and select this option right here, which will make this file available offline. Tap on it, and now it will say File Now Available Offline. So whatever you want to do with this file, you'll be able to access it, edit it, and make any changes that you want, even if you're offline. If we wanted to make another file available offline, I'm just going to go back. Here in the home page, you can see all of the files that you've already created. And if I wanted to, let's say, make this one available offline, I'm just going to tap on it. Then again, go to the top right corner where you see your ellipsis, tap on it, and select Available Offline. Tap, and it will say File Now Available Offline. And there you go. So with this, you are able to make any changes with this specific file, even without internet access. And one way to know if your files are available offline are these icons right here with a check mark, which is an indicator that these two files right here will be available to you even without internet access. And that's how you can use your Google Sheets mobile app offline. If you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I do have a full playlist to this that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you can also check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.